Oh, it's not gonna go.
Oh.
A penguin.
You guys got some competition here today.
Yeah.
Helicopter. Okay, so right now I'm flying his Ethan's heavily modified
I'm here.
aileron trainer. Go toes. Taking off. This thing is incredible. It's a great flyer. It'll hover too. Not quite enough aileron in the landing gear, like dendy. Ladies and gentlemen, this aircraft is cool. It does float for a while.
Nice.
Thank you. Oh, hey. See you right into me. No, but real talk. This is the 3 heli shot pitch 540. Oh, come on.
Woo! That was a beaut.
Oh! Okay. I'm gonna blame that one on the wind.